In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make spotlight effect in Photoshop 2025. We'll be creating a simple spotlight style look using Photoshop's web interface, and the process is very straightforward once you know where each tool is located. To begin, open Adobe Photoshop in your web browser and wait for the page to load completely. Once you're on the home page, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. When the sign-in options appear, choose your preferred account and complete the login process. After signing in, give Photoshop a moment to load your workspace so you can access the editor, your saved projects, and all of the available editing tools before moving on to the next step. Once you're inside Photoshop, click on Highlight to get started, then select New. From there, choose Upload File, and then click Upload from Computer to bring in the image you want to edit. This will open your file directly into the workspace so you can begin building the effect. Next, go to the upper right area and click Show Layer. This is important because the spotlight effect depends on working with layers separately rather than editing the original image directly. After the Layers panel appears, click Add New Layer to create a fresh layer above your image. Now, hide the main image layer temporarily by clicking its visibility icon. This helps you focus on preparing the spotlight layer by itself. After that, click on Paint, then choose the Paint Bucket tool. Fill the new layer with black. This black layer will act as the darkened overlay that gives the spotlight effect its dramatic contrast. With the black layer in place, click Create Mask Layer. This adds a mask to the black layer, which is what allows you to reveal light in a controlled way, without permanently erasing anything. Using a mask is helpful because it keeps your editing flexible and easy to adjust. Next, click on Gradient. This tool will create the soft fade that makes the spotlight look natural instead of harsh. Once the Gradient tool is active, drag from the center of your subject outward. As you do this, the mask will reveal the image in the center and gradually fade into darkness around it, creating that spotlight effect. If your result doesn't look right on the first try, don't worry. The direction and distance of your drag can change how wide or intense the spotlight appears, so it may take a couple of tries to get the look you want. A shorter drag usually creates a tighter, brighter spotlight, while a longer drag gives you a softer and more spread out effect. And that's it. You've now created a clean spotlight effect in Photoshop 2025 using layers, a black fill, a mask, and a gradient.